Cha-cha. We have the cha-cha basic. Go on. 2, 3, 4, and 2, 2, 3. Check crossovers. 2, 3, 4, and 3. 2, 3, 4, and 4. 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2, 3. Normal crossover. 2, 3. 2 hand hold. 2, 3. Slow swivels. Slow, slow. Last step. 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2 and 3. 4 and 1. Here's where I want it to go. 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, change of place, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Good job, thank you very much for doing that. Let's go.